The period of a conical pendulum T is given by. Four options are given. We have to find the right option. So we can draw a conical pendulum. So it will be easier. So here is a height and here is the conical pendulum with an angle theta, and it has a mass and vertically acting. This is mg, and this is the length of the conical pendulum. This is the height, and it is moving in a circular path with the radius r. Now we have two components for the length of the conical pendulum. Two components. One is the vertical component, another is horizontal component. And here is theta, so it must be theta, because you know the two parallel lines which make opposite sides are equal. So here theta, and theta's opposite side is horizontal, so horizontal component is just opposite side of theta, so it must be L sine theta. So L sine theta, horizontal component. And here the vertical component, so it is adjacent side, so L cos theta. Okay, now the vertical components are equal. L cos theta is equal to mg, and the horizontal component supplies centripetal force for the mass to move in a circular path. So L sin theta is equal to mv square by r. Here we need to deduce the formula for the height, so we can solve it. Here this theta, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse is L. So here the length of the pendulum is equal to, sorry, the height, the h is equal to L cos theta. So we need to remember this, the height is equal to L cos theta. Okay, now here is the equation number 1, here is number 2. We can divide both, so this cancel, tan theta, sin by cos is tan, mass cancelled, we have v square divided by r and this g. Okay, now v square is equal to rg tan theta. We know tan theta, here theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is the radius of the circle, adjacent side is the height. We can plug in here opposite side by adjacent side is equal to v square. Okay, now we know the formula of speed in the circular motion, linear velocity r omega. We can plug in here. So r square omega square is equal to r square g divided by h. I multiply this to r square is cancelled, and I take a square root both side, so it will be g by h. Now this is angular velocity. The formula is 2 pi by t, time period. We can plug in here 2 pi by t is equal to square root g by h. Okay, now we have to take the reciprocal, t divided by 2 pi h divided by g, just upside down, and time period t is equal to 2 pi square root h over g, and 2 pi square root h, I told you to remember h, L cos theta divided by g. So this is the formula. So the option is 2 pi square root L cos theta by g. It is better to memorize the formula, so it will be easier for further calculation Otherwise, we have to derive this all, so which is difficult. You will lose your time. So better to by heart. Time period is equal to conical pendulum 2 pi square root L cos theta by g. Thank you.